going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I've got some exciting news. I just took delivery of my new grill, a RECTEQ 1250. Man, this grill is heavy duty. You got a stainless steel collapsible shelf up front. Your control unit is wireless, so you can run it from your phone. 40-pound hopper. Look, it's also stainless steel. I guess the biggest difference in this and the 700 is you've got your double shelves here. So let's fire this thing up. I can't wait to get started on it. And I just done a burn in of 400 degrees for an hour, so she's ready to go. So it took me about an hour to put it together. So if you're kind of in the market for a pellet grill, check RECTEQ out. They're out of right outside Augusta, Georgia. They ship fast, and we'll try it out, see what it looks like. Thanks for tuning in. Let's back this thing down to about 250. Very quiet. Pretty decent casters on the bottom. All right, guys, we got her fired up about 250. We're gonna get it warmed up, throw a little food on here, and see how she does. I'm excited. Look at this smoke. We're about an hour into this cook, and look how crispy those wings look. Look at that. Wow. We're just about done. They're reading about 184, 175, somewhere in there. I'll bring you back. All right, guys, this is what they look like. Come out real nice looking. Let's see here. Crunchy. Good flavor. Almost tastes like they've been fried. Ooh, it's Sunday morning. Good morning. I got up early this morning and took a brisket out, kind of shaved some fat off. Only thing I put on it was Montreal steak sauce. So let's take a look at it. I've got it running about 250, and I'll let it get up and cook, and then we'll wrap it up. But I'm just gonna let it cook all day and really season this grill is what I'm trying to do. So I'll catch you up in a little bit. It's ready. 208. You kind of much tenderer than that. All right, I'm gonna take it in and let it rest. Say is I am very impressed. This grill ran all day long for 12 hours. This is all the pellets it used, so that's pretty cool. Great grill. About to go in there and bite into some of that brisket and see how we did. So I let it run for 12 hours, had it wrapped for about 4, got it up to about 208, and this thing didn't miss a beat. So I'm very impressed. So I'll keep using it and give you a review in a couple of months. Thanks for watching.